One evening as I was journeying around Taiwan, where I live, a few months ago, I just started to spiral into my sketchbook page. It was a really organic pattern that just seemed to pour out from the inside of my body in the feeling and then out through my hand and the pen onto the page. And I started to think, I can combine this with a meditation, and how relaxing it was to fuse movement and drawing with meditation, so that the patterns became almost like a distraction or a focus, and then the meditation just came as a natural byproduct. The drawing itself became like a reflection back to me of how I was feeling in that moment, and I think then added an awareness. It brought me an awareness, and so that I could become more clear about how I was feeling at that time, and maybe even then how I felt afterwards, so I could use that drawing to see a before and after, so to speak. This beautiful symbol, ancient symbol, is a primitive dance of sorts. It feels like a remembering for me in my body when I create this pattern on the page, this pattern of movement that develops in this amazing spiral curve. It's a symbol that seems to capture this idea of journeying and movement and progression. I really feel like I'm moving forward when I'm creating a spiral, but it's also centering at the same time. This release of the energy and this feeling in my body, it's grounding, and this feeling of expansion that comes through this drawing allows more breath to come in and fill the body, and a greater sense of calm.